Alright, on this day it's currently 11 o'clock at night. Sitting in my car, got Christmas lights going. Got a shift knob. Here's the other one where that crap plastic piece had literally disintegrated on me. Replacing it with this. A 3-star Dragon Ball. I've got this little adapter piece in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, feels so good. Oh yeah. Now that's and got a new shifter on, and the fact that it's actually comfortable. I could roll with it for a long time. And I got this beautiful thing on eBay for, I think it was like $13, $14 altogether. But I did not know that this actually came with these adapters already. And I just bought some on eBay. But, yeah, so me installing the 3-star Dragon Ball and my Kia Spectra. Oh man, that feels so good. Gotta take a picture. Oh yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.